ready to turn your designs into tangible products and start an online business without holding inventory. This is your ultimate beginner's guide to Printify, the print-on-demand platform that makes it incredibly simple. First things first, let's get your Printify account set up. Head over to Printify.com and click on Sign Up. You'll have a few options, but signing up with your email is the quickest way to get started. Fill in your details, create a secure password, and confirm your email address. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Printify dashboard. This is your command center to start creating. Navigate to the catalog and browse through the wide variety of products available, from t-shirts and mugs to canvas prints and phone cases. For this tutorial, let's choose a classic, a unisex t-shirt. Now for the fun part, designing your product. Click on your chosen product and you'll be taken to the design editor. You can either upload your own artwork by clicking Add Your Design, or use Printify's built-in mockup generator and even text tools to create something unique. Aim for high-resolution images for the best print quality. Let's upload a simple graphic here. Once your design is uploaded, you can position it, resize it, and even choose which sides of the product you want to print on. Take your time to get it just right. When you're happy, click Save Product. Printify will automatically generate mockups for you, showing how your design looks on the actual product. Before you publish, you'll need to select a printing provider. Printify works with many different print shops, each with varying prices, shipping times, and quality ratings. Carefully review these options and choose the one that best suits your needs. For beginners, looking at ratings and customer reviews is a good starting point. The final essential step is connecting your Printify store to your chosen e-commerce platform. Printify seamlessly integrates with popular platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and more. Click on My Stores, and then connect a new store. Choose your platform and follow the on-screen instructions. This connection allows Printify to automatically fulfill orders placed in your store. A circumflex euros. No manual work required. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Printify account, designed your first product, and integrated it with your store. You're now ready to start selling your custom merchandise to the world. Happy selling!